Hi, in this video I will show you how to add transaction code to favorites in SAP. So this one is actually relatively easy again. So what you can do in this case is to head over to sap.com and then just install your application from there if you already have it. So from in there you can explore their business data cloud and then their AC access as well as their other products that you can find from there. So to get things started, head over and open your SAP application. And then after that, if you want to add a transaction code to your favorites, just head over and click on the favorites folder and then click onto this insert transaction option. You just need to right click on it in order to see this menu. Now, once you have done that, you just need to input right here the transaction code. So, on some sources that I read, it actually depends on which transaction code you want. So, for example, you can put right here E904 in order to add or create the area menu. Now, just input your transaction code, and after that, click on check. And then from in there, it should be added already into your favorites, and you should be able to use it already as well. So, that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.